What is up, guys? Welcome back to today's video. And today's video, we're going to be checking out Phasmophobia in VR. Now, I'm going to be having a couple of friends join me. One of them is a content creator named Great Gambino, which I have his YouTube channel in the description for you to check out. I highly recommend you do so. He makes really good virtual reality content. But with that said, let's get right into the video.
I'm burnt at both. I streamed for like 2 hours on TikTok today. They made me shave my beard and eat like a 5-stack of cheese on a cracker. That crowd makes you do weird stuff.
Oh, I know. But is it me or am I really tall? Like, am I floating off the ground? I can't.
Well, you look normal, but I'm sitting.
You look normal.
I'm sitting.
Because I feel a lot taller than I usually am, but you know, I'll take it.
Well, I like it. You're a tall drink of water, and you know what? That's good enough for me.
You look normal in the game.
Fran, do I look normal in real life?
No answer.
Can't tell anything in VR.
See the way she's dodging the question? I'll take it. I'm weird looking.
Yes, sir. I'm weird looking too.
So wait, it's the only way.
Yeah.
The Ouija board's in here if you want to grab
This
it.
guy's got extra legs.
Yeah, dude.
He's on his tippy toes walking around that tall.
I mean, I don't know if this is just my real height, and I've always been shorter in game, or this is now like.
The thing is, your character's walking around on his tippy toes to add insult to injury.
Where are you?
Oh.
Did it just turn off? Where are you?
Oh.
H. Wait, hallway.
Oh, all right.
Upstairs or downstairs? We don't know.
Yeah,
I'd say upstairs.
It just says hallway. Because, yeah, I'd say upstairs too, because I haven't seen any paranormal activity. I mean, I'm pretty tall in real life.
Your sanity is like really low.
Oh no! Wait, you guys are 92%?
Yeah, you better take some pills.
Okay. I thought I didn't see any, but I'm pretty tall in real life. Like, but I feel like I'm like 7'2". Like I think I'm huge.
Your characters. Well, it probably doesn't help that we're sitting on the floor, but you're probably saying that based on all the stuff you're used to seeing the object. I wanna put this all down. Why is my shadow massive on my hand? Is that doing it? Look at my hand.
Yeah, like your hand shadow is massive. Like look at mine. Mine's huge. I like how we're playing like a scary game. We're just like fascinated by our hand shadows. Scary basement.
It's cold in the basement. It's down to 5.9.
Ah, I keep taking pictures.
Oh god.
Oh, see the ghost. Where's it? Oh, there it is. There's the ghost. The ghost activity.
There we go.
Going upstairs. See you guys later. I'm stuck.
So
okay, no longer stuck.
So that's where we're gonna put down the salt and everything.
Can maybe jump a little bit, huh?
I'm gonna get a ghost writing book to put down, and then we need the
I got a good
EMF.
close up.
So
I got a close up to the ghost too.
you need to take a picture of the ghost.
Well, you know what, Fran? My brain doesn't work like that.
Right now.
I can't believe I didn't take that picture of the ghost.
Oh, there's a footstep. Take a picture of the footsteps.
Oh, right there.
They're glowing too. They're glowing. You gotta take a picture.
I
I don't know if I got the handprint. Did
we have
it count?
fingerprints. Oh yeah, freezing temps to your right.
We get.
Yes.
Where's the? Oh, fingerprints, and we got footsteps.
Footsteps aren't evidence. I don't think. Yeah, they're not evidence.
Aww.
So we have.
I'm coming.
I think the salt is just to see if the ghost is down there. I think that's all it pretty much does.
So it says Jinn, Demon, or Hantu. Yeah, I'm checking to see if I don't see any orbs right now.
Do we have to turn a light off for that or no?
So it would probably be ghost orbs or EMF 5. So it could be the Jinn and be EMF 5.
Yeah, it's definitely not a demon.
I'm gonna grab a photo camera too to see if I can get a picture of the ghost.
Oh, because I failed at it's what you're saying. Can I stand behind you and pretend that I'm taking a picture too and you do a good picture?
Grab the crucifix. Maybe if we put the crucifix down, we can step behind. And then,
don't do drugs, kids.
Lisa, can you show yourself?
Oh,
come on out, Lisa.
I shouldn't go in here. I know what's gonna happen. I'll get shut in.
Oh, did you do that?
What?
I did not.
Turn the lights off.
Nope.
I did not.
I did not do.
Should I put down the crucifix?
Yeah, put the crucifix down.
Yeah, cause
Is the EMF reader on?
Who has it?
Yeah, it's on.
I thought.
You want to grab the EMF real quick? It's like right there behind you.
Ooh.
Oh
wait.
Level 5. Level 5.
Noise. Level 5 EMF. Are we getting out of here? Should we rock back to the truck or what? Oh, the door just shut. Door just shut.
We're not in a hunt.
We're not? Why'd the door shut?
Did you shut it?
No.
No! The ghost did it.
Oh, my flashlight's flickering.
Hey. Oh, shit. Oh. Dude.
Oh, there it goes.
I hear it. I don't hear it either. You think it went away? Peek your head out there. Just kidding. Go ahead.
Okay, we're good. Oh,
Good, that was scary.
look at how she died.
Oh, Fran got killed! No!
She got killed in the wall.
It got Fran, no! That's the first time I've ever seen someone else die other than me.
I heard her choking, and I was like, she's a goner. She's surviving that.
I thought that was the ghost, like, was making noises outside the door at us.
It's not Jin, then.
So we got EMF level 5.
Yeah, fingerprints and freaking
Yeah, it's a
tests.
Jin.
Yeah.
So we just select it and put it away, right?
Yeah, we just select it, and let me try to select it. And oh, no, there we go, Jin, and then we just leave. All right, please say it was a Jin. Please say it was a Jin. Please say it was a Jin.
Poor Franny.
What? How?
We didn't get it right?
How is this a Goryo?
Oh, we must have missed something.
Yeah.
There's Francis.
I died getting the ghost photo to get that objective.
Oh, did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, she got
Too
it.
bad we picked the wrong one, though.
I mean,
Phooey.
it doesn't make any...
It probably wasn't freezing. I mean, the only way to go back in to see what the things are is to go back into a game, right? Like, what are the things for Goryo?
Yeah, I think we can only see stuff in, like, the game, like, about ghosts. Alright, that's going to be it for today's video. If you guys did like the video, you know what to do. Subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, virtual check yourself. Peace.